Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that which World Cup token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do you only search for the investing? According to the website, Pitch World Cup is a decentralized football economy built on the base blockchain, designed to create a self-combined prediction and trading ecosystem around the 2036 FIFA World Cup. Propose it transform real-world football into an on-chain economy where users trade tokens representing countries and players, powered by prediction market and gameplay technology. It is an ERC20 token on base using custom bonding, calls for price discovery, and Chainlink VRF for probably fair random draws. Tokenomics. The system features a deflationary based currency, PITCH, that burns 5% of every transaction alongside 48 nations tokens and 144 unique layer tokens. Pitch World Cup project institution rating is 2.9. Pitch World Cup token total supply is 943.52 thousand and circulating supply is also 943,000. Pitch token is listed on MEXC, LBank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.